are chipping away at the charred pieces, and we surprisingly found a little bit of green left.
Oh, great. And this is a
So this
Bombax.
is a Bombax.
And so what are you going to do next?
Chip away some more and see if we can find more fresh green. Um, it's important to take the dead woody stuff off so it can promote new growth.
And this Bombax survived the Eaton fire.
Yeah.
So we're trying to rescue this plant for a customer of ours.
Yeah.
And I'll post more videos what we're trying to do to save more of the succulents. And you can check for the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.